Sir, Hyundai Stargazer versus MG G50. Sige, Christian, shoutout sa'yo. Sagutin natin. Battle of probably the most spacious 7-seaters on the category, and high-tech as well. So it's a good match-up, honestly. And since you didn't mention kung anong variant yung interested kayo, I'm gonna be focusing on discussing the top of the line for both cars. Sige, unang-una, both may cruise control. That's really great to have for a family car, lalong-lalo na mabigat yung pakiramdam pag madami kayo loaded. So during the freeway, you can absolutely enjoy that feature. I think si Stargazer, meron siya ng mga advanced driving systems or sensing, but si MG G50 meron siyang more high-tech siya sa electronics, gaya ng adjustable seats and then yung power lift gate niya. That's really high-tech. Overall, for the space, para sa akin, I feel like mas gusto ko yung space or yung feeling ni MG G50. Mas gusto ko rin yung overall look ng dashboard. Mas maluwag lang talaga para sa akin, and then major lang talaga na differences. Top of the line, may captain seats ka na for the MG G50, and then si Stargazer, wala siya nun, baliktad. Nasa lower variant yung captain seats ni Stargazer X. Ni Stargazer pala. So yan, sana nakatulong. Check my 7-seaters playlist on YouTube. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.